I've been watching TV a lot, y'all. It's tripping me out. Y'all, everybody here seen those early pregnancy test commercials? You notice they only got white people in them? And everybody in the commercial is happy? The girl come out the bathroom, honey, guess what? And he's sitting on the couch, what, babe? We're positive, fucking A. That shit ain't real. I want to see a sister. I want to see a sister. Every brother here want to just see one sister go in the bathroom. She'll be in there. She'll be like, damn. Guess what? Your ass need a job. You know what I'm saying? Shit is crazy, man. Crazy shit, man. A lot of crazy stuff happened to me, man. New York is fly, but one thing I don't like about New York, man, when you come over here and you drive, every time, tell the truth though, when you park on a bad street, don't you always turn around and look at your car like you may never see that motherfucker again? You be like, come on now, I don't feel like walking. Motherfucker's crazy, man. They got this new car alarm I want to tell you about. Every brother in here, sister who got a nice car, they got this new car alarm to be out in 92, right? If they steal your car, the car alarm will call your house. This shit is real. I said to myself, imagine this, right? Saturday night, about 4 o'clock in the morning, you sleep, it's like... Hello? Yo, Bill, wake up. Who is it? It's the car, man. Oh, man. They got me down here taking out the radio and everything. All right, where you at? I don't know. You better hurry up. Wait a minute, here they come. I'll call you back. This shit is crazy, man. Crazy shit, man.